everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel and clicking on this video. I have yet another unboxing. It's from the Blessed Box, which I have been loving so far. When I got home from school, there were 3 boxes, so 3 months of boxes waiting for me, and this would be the 3rd and final box. I did cancel, but it was more so due to me wanting to save money for school. So yeah, I love Blessed Box. I love the way that's curated. I love what they put in there. It's just a matter of funds right now. So maybe in the future when I'm not dependent on loans and my parents, I'll probably go back to Blessed Box because I really love what they put in there. So once again, this is Blessed Box. We're gonna open it again. And once again, they're telling me to enjoy, babes. And I'm like, thank you. Thank you. I don't know what month this is because the last box that I unopened was August, so maybe September? That's after August. Yes. And I was right, it was September. Oh, this is called the Fall Edit. Just gonna open it to see. Okay, they gave me hair vitamins, which was the most expensive thing in the box. And it is for, they said it's $50 and it's hair Timmins. Okay, cute. I normally just buy the gummy biotin hair, nail, skin supplements whenever the mood strikes me. So this is cute. I do appreciate this is just solely for hair. Yeah, okay. I like the packaging. I feel like they're not gummies and they're just capsules, which is like not as fun because I fucking love gummy vitamins and that's just, I'm also a child. Ooh, we have a Super Butter Intensive Hair Mask, which is great because I'm gonna eventually take these braids out, so I'm always here for a hair mask. And shea butter is great for natural hair. It makes it very soft and returns some moisture, so we're here for that. And then we have, oh wow, more hair treatments from this brand called not gonna pronounce it. 3 hair mask. Okay. Intensive 3-day hair treatment. So there's one for all 3 days. One's avocado and honey, tea tree and rosemary, and argan oil, which are all just great things, especially for natural hair. I always put myself somewhere between like a 4B, 4C, tight curls, you know, so we need all the moisture we can get. I'm here for sheet mask. I'm here for them putting it in there constantly. This seems to be a, is this like, oh, it's Korean Beauty face mask, which I do like. Am I the only one? I'll use them because like for self-care, but I never really feel anything. Like I don't want to say I want my facial mask to beat me up like the Aztec clay. Literally, you feel your skin pulsating and all this other stuff. And it's just like, I'm so used to my face mask either tightening or doing something. And to put like a sheet on and just be like, what are you doing exactly? Like, what exactly are you doing for me? But I still use them and I buy them whenever the mood strikes me. And then I have, a coupon for Primal Kitchen. Interesting. I think I've seen them at Marshall's at some point, and they're just like powdered supplements, I think. Yeah, like collagen and turmeric and all this other stuff. That's cute. If it's expired, and it doesn't expire until 2020. We love coupons over here. I love coupons. I just love saving for things. Okay, and then there's a coupon for the hair Timmins. Very cute. Doesn't roll out the tongue, but it's very cute. And then we have this Good Night cream. They only gave me 2 grams of that night cream, so this must be pricey, or I don't know. It's interesting that they only gave me 2 grams of that night cream. I'm like, just give me a bottle. I mean, a box or whatever. Oh, and it only retails for $5. Y'all couldn't give me like the whole thing? Okay, I mean, that's cute. I guess. Oh, this is cute. It just says Cheers NCLA. I'm guessing that is some type of nail file. Where is it? Ooh, apparently it's just a special duo. It's $33. Okay, that's cute. Interesting. It doesn't say what it is. It just says like a mystery duo that you'll appreciate. And I'm just like, okay. If it's a nail file, I will. You know who would really appreciate the fuck out of these? Anya. She's constantly filing her nails. I would, because we had small group together, I would just look over and there was just Anya filing her nails. She's like, what? I'm like, are you really filing your nails right now? She's like, yeah, I had a hangnail. I'm just like, okay, girl. You do you. You do what you gotta do to get through small group. Ooh, okay. So I was right about that Primal. I'm not pronouncing it correctly. I'm sorry. On this channel, I mispronounce things. I don't do it intentionally, so relax. These two, like, I won't say protein supplements, but this is Collagen Fuel, and it's in the flavor of vanilla coconut. Basically, just add it to your drinks. And this is golden turmeric, also another collagen peptide drink mix, which is cute. Ooh, wait. This is a velvet liquid lipstick in the shade Ola Lover, which is cute. It's in wrapping. I might keep this. I love the packaging. I have not heard of this brand called Ola Neon. I'm sorry, I'm not privy to a lot of brands. I tend to stick with the same brands a lot of the times, but oh, this is pretty. This again is in the shade Ola Lover. Sorry. Is that ASMR? Okay. Okay, it smells. There's no real smell, like slightly chemically, which I guess. Oh, that's a vibrant deep red. This is definitely a very pretty color to wear for the holiday season. Christmas isn't like 2.5 minutes away from us, so I think this is cute. I'm gonna keep this. I feel like you can never have enough reds. I do love the Fenty Stunna the pink, the red one. That's my favorite red. And then Ruby Woo and Evolus, but this is cute. And my velvet, is it like, it probably won't dry completely matte, which can be kind of annoying because that means it's going to transfer everywhere, but with beauty, there's sacrifices you have to make, and that's fine. Yenos. One more thing. Okay. We have Verb Energy Maple Blueberry. As much caffeine as an espresso and only 90 calories. What? That's cute. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm not guessing it is a energy protein bar, but like with caffeine in it. That's cool. I don't know why we'd want caffeine in your energy drinks. I hope it doesn't have like a bad aftertaste, because that seems to be a thing with caffeine drinks and stuff like that. Sorry, I'm like adjusting my shirt underneath. Yeah. And then last but not least, we have AB Skincare Acne Spot Treatment. I feel like I've seen this brand at like Marshall's or something. For a spot treatment, I normally use the Mario Badescu drying thing. You can get that at your local Ulta. I just use whatever spot treatment I see, either Mario Badescu or like something from Target. I would rate them, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work, but like my skin will be like, yeah, we love this, and then it's like, we hate it. And I'm like, okay, I can't open it, but this is the AB Spot Treatment. We'll be using this because my period came and ruined my face. So, yeah, once again, I love Blessbox. I loved everything that I got. It was interesting. It kind of opened, you know, things that I normally would not buy for myself, but I did appreciate everything that they did put in the box. So I would rate this, once again, 5 out of 5. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great holiday. Moisturize your elbows because elbows get very dry during this holiday season, and we can have dry elbows. Peace.